Hello everybody, good morning. This short video is a response to some more questions we've been asked over the last short while. When should a drain be replaced? So it's a pretty loaded question and there are many different drains. I'll just talk about the ones that are visible to your average homeowner, and that would be probably something like your kitchen drain or a bathroom drain, so on and so forth. So if you open up the cabinet underneath your sink, you'll notice, generally for most homes, a black, somewhat large plastic piping. It's called ABS. You'll notice if there is corrosion marks or any sort of wear and tear marks. You'll notice even some white scale looking type streak marks down the drain. Any discoloration beyond a clean, fresh black color of the pipe means that water has gotten out and is no longer being contained. Sometimes you'll find it on the union of the P-trap, which is the little U-bend at the bottom of the sink. But anytime you see any sort of discoloration, or sometimes you'll even notice a watermark on the base of the cabinet, which showed, signs of leakage in the past, that's when you should give us a call. And it's better to stop something now before things get worse. So please call us, 905-597-8555. We'd love to help you out. Thank you.